Hello and welcome. I'm Nick Bertner. As much as I value our current educational systems, they lack a foundation of valuable information on how to secure our future and for the generations after us. We may live in a world full of high-tech advancements, but when you look through the lens of world issues, major world issues, as economic decline and resource depletion, our true solutions are going to lie with harmonizing with nature. At Working with Nature, Learning, Research, and Healing Center, we will guide you. We will help guide you with the information and experience you will need so you can feel confident in the choices you make for your future. These sustainable living methods have been put into a system named Permaculture. It offers a vast variety of disciplines for learning. For instance, you can learn water catchment and how to drought-proof your land. You can learn zero-waste gardening, farming, and animal systems. You can learn nutrient-dense food and nutritional healing, and even how to build a house out of natural recycled materials. We are passionate about spreading this truly valuable knowledge. For the next year, we are offering courses, and we're going to be offering scholarships, full and partial scholarships, and even work exchanges, just so we can get the information out to you. Give us a call, sign up on our website. We are here to help. I'm looking forward to making a powerful and meaningful connection with everyone who wants to take responsibility for their own existence and that of our children's. I hope we get to hear from you soon.